So I've been working on a number of things related to macroeconomic policy, fiscal policy, and sanctions policy, all issues that I worked on when I was in government. And they're issues that are pressing issues today as they are really at every point. Well, I think that we need to figure out how to make our economies work for everyone. In the United States, we have pretty decent economic growth, but it's not spread at all evenly. And we have a tax code that is quite broken in terms of still rewarding those who've already been very successful. And we don't have the support that we need for people who are struggling to keep pace with their current standard of living and not to slip. Those are challenges we need to deal with, and they're challenges that we're seeing all over the world.